YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, we're on a mission. We are on a mission. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at a 2.94, and the market seeing some volatility right now. Bitcoin dropping all the way down to 94,000. And what better time to talk about some Toshi coin? And actually, we'll talk about some Turbo too, because look at Turbo, man. Turbo up 12% during this, actually up 13%, absolutely starting to soar. Can Turbo Coin still continue to see some upside? I mean, we're starting to see a breakout, but is it going to maintain? Is Bitcoin going to break down? What is going on? We're going to talk about it. So let's do it. As you guys can see, total market cap coming in at 2.94. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 53. And again, market just looking a little bit funky. Are we starting to correct down? If so, how much? We've been talking about this on the channel already, guys. We were already, watching this. I was mentioning it just yesterday in our live stream, as well as just in yesterday's video as well. So how low can this chart go, right? When can we expect to hopefully see a bounce, or can we expect to see a bounce? How bad is this, right? This retest of this 94 range. Well, guys, here to tell you that we might see some more downside all the way down to probably, I would think, down here in this 92, 91, 92 zone, and even possibly, again, a retest of this 88. We've been talking about it. I've been mentioning it. Should have took out a short today. You could pretty much draw this by the book, right? But you guys can see we're starting to break below this bottom Keltner channel. And sometimes, guys, when we start breaking below this bottom Keltner channel, it becomes a slippery slope. Look at this Bitcoin sell-off that we are seeing happen right now. Wow. What a big red candle, right? I was telling you guys, we had already seen 1, 2, 3 rejections. Now Bitcoin looking like, again, it wants to make a move down and retest some of these lower levels. Now we are still in an uptrend, so I'm not too concerned as far as the end of the cycle. But again, we are seeing a rejection now, so we do have to pay attention just to where we're headed and where we can continue going if this stuff wants to continue to break down. So you guys can see we're breaking down on our 3-hour right now, as well as on the 4, right? Interesting. Can we see this market start turning around tomorrow? We do know that today is Sunday, and weekend sell off again, guys. Totally normal. We see this on the weekend. But one thing that we do want to make sure that we're doing is still creating higher lows on this chart right here. This is going to send a ripple effect through the market. I'm actually curious to see what these guys are saying. Somebody says, bounce here, BTC, Ponzi, or zero. Oversold. Looks like a bear trap. Altcoins will pump hard. But Popcat, interesting. What do you guys think? You guys think that altcoins are about to pump? Somebody said Bitcoin 98 to 83. It's bearish. I told you guys these guys were going to be talking about how bad it was once it drops down. Somebody said, please, please, please stop, please. I remember my first cycle, man. Somebody said 90K incoming. Yeah, I think that's pretty right, probably, more than likely, right? I do think that we're going to see a retest. I've been saying it before. Somebody said, I'm lose all BTC. I'm losing it all. I guess he had a long position maybe that got filled and he lost. Somebody said a whale who opened $11 million short with 40x leverage. His entry price was 95K, while the liquidation price was 102. Wow, that guy's up big. Maybe he watches the channel. Maybe he knew that we were going to see this weekend sell. We always talk about this, guys. Somebody said, I'm bearish on BTC an hour ago. Well, maybe he meant before the big drop, right? But I want to know, again, is this thing just going to stay bearish or not, right? We're going to talk about it, guys. We're going to talk about it. I told you we were going to talk about it. But before we get into that, we're going to check out a little bit of this rest of this market too, right? Let's check out Ethereum as well, because I've been concerned about ETH, guys. I've been thinking that ETH might need to see a retest some lower ranges. And if that happens, guys, we could possibly see some big sells in the market on ETH and a much cheaper price. And so, again, that's something I'm paying attention to. In my opinion, ETH needs to cool off a bit, bro. It needs to drop down at least to the 17 level, 17.5. or probably lower, probably 15. Really, honestly, probably 11 or 12 is my bottom on ETH. I do not think ETH is ready to start breaking up yet, and just the reason why I'm saying that is because we have this bear flag forming on this all-time chart here. It's just not looking good for Ethereum. A lot of people still bullish on it. You can see 80% of people bullish, 20% of people bearish. Somebody saying ETH is upgrading on May 7th. Altcoin season is here. Somebody said just an hour ago. But again, I don't think altcoin season is right here. Altcoins getting hit right now. Somebody else saying the crowd is bearish. Smart money is bullish. Interesting, interesting. Are you bearish or bullish, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Let's go check out some Toshi Coin. Boom. So here we are over here on Dex Tools. We already got Toshi pulled up, as you guys can see. Just want to make sure we got a clean refresh on the page so that we have an accurate price on this bad boy, right? You guys can see Bitcoin getting dropped a whole ton, but look, Toshi Coin's actually holding up pretty good. It seems like the rest of the market is getting totally smacked right now, but again, Toshi only down about 3% today. I'm not mad at all, considering Bitcoin just fell all the way from like 95 down to like 94. So again, we were already expecting that. I feel like a lot of the community was already braced for this, I hope. I heard those guys talking in the live today, and they were pretty much spot on with their targets as far as where Bitcoin was going. Maybe they were watching the videos that I've been making for the past couple of days talking about this possible retest of this lower zone. And I don't know, maybe people are just not as paper handsy, right? We did talk about some of our key zones for Toshi as well. As you guys could see, we are holding on to this 12 hour still pretty good. I mean, past hour, we're only down 0.44. It is looking a little bit weird, right? Like just a lack of volume, but heck, I mean, in something like in a dip like this, man, I'd rather see my coin holding like this and lacking the volume as far as the drop, you know, versus again looking like Bitcoin right now. I mean, look at Bitcoin in the past just a couple hours, just seeing some massive sell off right now. And again, a lot of these coins are starting to see some big sell. Somebody saying BTC sell off extremely bullish. Other people saying BTC is a joke. People talking about longs and shorts. I mean, I hope nobody's long in this weekend. I hope nobody was long on this because this was honestly a no-brainer in my opinion that we were going to see a rejection down. But again, guys, I don't think that the cycle is over. I don't think that all the world is ending or anything like that. As a matter of fact, already told you guys that this was going to happen more than likely. And again, we have support all the way until 88K. I'm not concerned about a dip. I'm liking the way that Toshi's moving right now. I'm not mad at this coin. Again, like this thing is pretty much starting to really, in my opinion, form some solid levels of support, because the fact that we have not broken down, the fact that we have not capitulated just like the rest of the market, it just makes me feel good. Again, Toshi Coin really trying hard to maintain an uptrend here, but we are coming up on some key levels right now, right? Try not to yawn, guys, really hard. I've been up so much watching these charts because, again, I kind of had a feeling that this was going to happen. So I was making a lot of content yesterday as well as today. So sorry for that I'm tired, but man, it's been a lot. It's been a lot of crypto, guys. And I am a little bit concerned, but at the same time, I mean, I'm still bullish on the long term, but just a little concerned as far as when we're going to see a recovery. We are still creating new higher lows, though. So, again, nothing to be too concerned about. I want to know what you guys think, though. Are you worried about this cycle? You guys think altcoin season's coming? A lot of these guys talking about altcoin season is coming and how these altcoins will go parabolic. Interesting, interesting. I mean, only time will tell, right? But some people saying even that altcoin season starts tomorrow. Interesting. Are we going to see a pump tomorrow? We do know, guys, that normally price pumps on a Monday tend to be a fake out. I mean, that's just what I think. That's, again, my crazy crypto J theory. We've been a lot of you guys have been following my crazy theories of market trends and stuff like that. But I would be concerned if we see the market pump really hard tomorrow. I would be concerned that that would be a fake out. I would like to see a little bit of gradual climb, right? We want to see really our market pump happen more towards Thursday because, again, if we're going to keep seeing this sell off into the weekend, then we need to be establishing some higher lows into Thursday, right? So, again, is Bitcoin going to see another dump down? Is it going to retest some lower levels? Can we see this 92, 91 range happen on this next dump, right? Are we going to dump, right? I do think, oh man, look at that. Tell you guys, once we try trending under this bottom Keltner channel, we got to be careful here because this could be a slippery slope. Now this is going to start working as our resistance here on our 1 hour. And also on the 30, right? If we jump up, we could still reject here off this 94 range and still send down. And look, we got another Nike check forming here. That don't do it. Look at all these shorts that are rolling in right now, right? It's almost like these guys wait for Sunday, huh? Like they wait for Saturday, Sunday. Again, Bitcoin has been looking really funky. Look how many times it looked like it was going to break up and then just keep breaking down, man. Yikes. What are you guys' price prediction on this cycle? I told you guys mine. I still think that Bitcoin can still hit 200K to 250 this cycle. I'm bullish on 2025. I think that we still will have an altcoin cycle. It's, in my opinion, it's not going to happen as fast as people think. It's going to take time. It's going to be agonizing. And prices are going to probably go up around the country. And we'll probably see another cut in inflation later on. But we'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see. Nobody knows, right? It's all speculative, guys. Not financial advice. Just your homie Crypto J. If this is your first time tapping in, again, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. We talking about it each and every day. And yeah, if you guys have not also followed us over on Twitter, follow us over on Twitter, guys, at JTalksCrypto, as well as on TikTok at JTalksCrypto. We're going to start doing these lives every single day. So again, make sure you guys are tapped in. I'll catch you next video. Peace.